Hey guys, hey. So why do I look so washed out? Goodness. Okay, there it goes. Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Don't mind that stuff back there, I gotta clean it up. Welcome back to Vlogmas. My name is Shleece Marie, if you did not know. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know y'all like, this bitch always in the kitchen. You know it. You know it. So today we are doing the famous Tic Tok. Don't mind the makeup. It's given. Come on now, go watch it. But yes, I am doing the famous egg bowl from Tic Tok. Do I got some onions? Yes, bitch, we got some onions. I'm getting all my ingredients ready and I am going to come back and we are going to start making this egg and potato bowl from Tic Tok. Oh shit, I am just dropping everything, y'all. Trying to hold y'all and trying to, you know, record. So yes, let me be back. So I have the water boiling for the potatoes and the eggs and I'm about to put them in there. So I already washed my potatoes off, so I'm about to dump them in. Oh shit, look at me. So I got my potatoes in there, I got my eggs in there, so we're about to chef up the sauce. So I'm going to add my 2 sticks of butter to my pan. So I'm just letting the butter melt down. I got my eggs going. I got the potatoes going. Okay. So I'm going to dump my onions in there. You feel what, baby?
Open the briefcase.
Give me a second. Just making sure that they're all in. I love a lot of onions. Love a lot of onions. So I'm just gonna let that simmer down for a little and come back. Okay, so now I'm going to add my spices.
Hello, Daddy. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to mix the sauce and the spices. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Let me take the potatoes and the eggs out because they're already done. So this is what it's looking like. My eggs and potatoes, they are so soft. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go and pour that sauce in there, girl. Yes, like I said, I love a lot of onions. I love onions. Let me go ahead and go and mix it around. Let me get a spoon. I'll go ahead and mix this all around. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So yes, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it, but I'm so scared because it is hot. It is hot. Oh, the sauce is hot. All right, let's try this potato. Y'all ready? Bitch. That little bit of sugar. I'm sorry, it's dark. That little bit of sugar made it taste so good. All right, I'm gonna go take this makeup off, wash my face, take this makeup off, put my pajamas on, and I'm gonna chow down. Period. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, we'll see you tomorrow because it's Vlogmas. See you guys.